Hi guys, this is Dustin and Andrew with Pride, and today we're going through a Zone 6 exercise called eye rolling. If you suffer from chronic migraines or get onset ones, this can actually help alleviate some of those symptoms. To start, we're going to look to the left and inhale as you roll your eyes around in a circle. Start breathing out as your eyes look downward, and inhale with the upward movement. You may find one direction is harder or that your head wants to move in one direction. Work in that direction more. Tempo of this exercise is just with the breath, and we'll shoot for 5 to 10 eye rolls in each direction. Use the hand to assist if it helps. And that is the eye roll exercise for Zone 6. Thanks for checking in.